Hello everyone, here we are again trying for some grand jackpot. Let's do this lightning link. When I went on vacation, I tried this back home in the Philippines in a casino, but I had no luck. Unfortunately, we couldn't really do videos there, so I'm gonna try it here. Let's see what happens. This is a penny to 10 cents machine, so I think I'll just go for the penny. Let me put 100 in here. See what happens. Alright, minimum bet is 50 cents, maximum bet is $5. Two more. Two more. Oh yeah, yeah. One more. One more, come on. One more, nice. Ooh, mini stand. That one is a nice one. Alright, come on. Let's go for grand. Grand is 14,000. Minor, I see minor, 50 bucks. Come on. Nice. Come on, minor. Ooh, minor. Minor. Come on, save it. That's it. Alright, well, not bad. Not bad at all. We're up 36, 60, 65. Oh, look at that. That would have been nice. Let's upgrade. Oh boy. Three more. Oh shit. Let me try 2 cents. Minimum bet is $1 on this one. Four more. Nice one, nice one. get a grand. Minor is 100, major is 510. There you go. Do it. Thank you. Come on, Minor. Nice. Wow. Alright, well, let's do this. Come on, 2 more. You can do it. Okay, fine, just save it. Save it. Save it. Oh, wow. Alright. Still good. That's a pretty good win, I think. Ooh, not bad at all. We doubled our money. Alright, let's play this until 200. And this should be good to go. Let's go back to penny. We just need 3 of those dragons. Alright, a few more spins here. Come on, do it. One more. One more. Alright, a few more spins here and we'll call it a session. We doubled our money. 50 cents. Not bad. Ooh. Yikes. Almost. Alright, come on. Alright, and our last spin. Alright guys, cashing out here. At least we won here, doubled our money. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Till next time, see you again in another game. Bye.